morning. Today is another simple day. Every morning starts with a workout. It gives me more energy for the day. I don't need to be perfect. I just want to be a little stronger every day. After the gym, I go home and take a nap. I used to think resting was lazy. Now I know my body needs it. Afternoon, I go for a short walk with my nephew. Sometimes a quiet evening is all I need. No job, no money, no boyfriends, but I still have myself. Tonight, I enjoy a simple meal, a cool beer, and watch my favorite movie. Life isn't perfect, but today was a good day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlogs. Good night.